Welcome to this guide to migrate elements copy and sync from data center to cloud with JCMA. Let's start preparing the migration on data center. We have two operations in elements copy and sync data center. The first one can be automatically migrated. However, as the second one is a confluence operation, we will need to install elements publish cloud. We have 3 synchronizations that will all be automatically migrated. 3 field mappings will be automatically migrated. However, we will need to install elements publish to use the confluence mapping on cloud. To use data panels in cloud, we will need to install elements overview. To start configuring the migration, go to the System tab and click on Migrate to Cloud. Click on Create New Migration. Here's a summary of the migration steps. Click on Connect to Cloud. Select your cloud site in the list, or if it doesn't appear, click on Choose Cloud Site. Choose your cloud site in the list. Copy your data center site URL and paste it here. Now that you connected your data center and cloud instances, go to the migration options. You can either choose to migrate specific data or select all data and migrate everything. In the Projects section, select the projects that you want to migrate to cloud. Add your projects to the migration. Choose the Advanced Roadmaps plans to migrate. Define which dashboards, filters, and automation rules should be migrated. Choose whether to migrate assets or not. Define which users and groups should be migrated. Same thing as users, but for the migration of your JSM customers. In the Apps section, you should have at least one item corresponding to elements copy and sync. It's now time to save and run pre-migration checks. This step allows you to check that every item is ready to be migrated without error. In the App Check section, you'll have a warning to make sure you're aware that some items won't be migrated. These are not errors. You can still go on with the migration. Data panels won't be migrated to cloud. You'll need to install Elements Overview to access this feature. Confluence page creation won't be migrated either. You'll need to install Elements Publish. To finish with, remote instances will need to be recreated manually on cloud. Once you're aware of what will be migrated and what will not, you can go on with the migration. Review the migration to make sure everything is ready. Once you're all set, run the migration. The migration is in progress. The Atlassian items will be migrated first, then the apps. The migration is complete. You can check the details of your migration if needed, and then visit your cloud site to verify the migration process. Now let's see how it looks like on Elements Copy and Sync Cloud. Operations and synchronizations were migrated as recipes in a draft status in Elements Cloud. Let's explore the copy and sync recipe. Everything from the data center operation was migrated, included the additional JQL filter. The link between work items has been defined. And finally, in the content section, the field mapping has been migrated inside the recipe. If you're struggling while migrating elements copy and sync, we strongly recommend you to contact our support team and to send them your configuration dump file for better efficiency. To do so, go to the App Administration tab in Data Center. Click on Backup to download your dump file. This file contains your data center configuration and will help our support team guide you through the migration.